I started messing around with them when I was quite young. I didn't really get around to building my own until probably my freshman year of high school, maybe the end of middle school, when I started making a little bit of money. I could pick my own parts and build my own machine, which at the time it was, you could build a machine much better, higher quality than you could buy at a store for less money. Average build, well, it really depends on the build. On the average, for a gaming rig, I'd say 800 bucks area. That will get you a really decent machine for the time. But I don't know, like my media server, $600, somewhere in that area. I mean, you could build one cheap, but it's limitless as to how much money you can spend. Gaming and as media servers. I don't have a TV really, so my computer does everything for me. Well, for video, I use VLC. For game wise, anything that I really have on Steam. So I have Gary's Mod. I have all the old Half-Life games. I'm kind of old school. Um, Minecraft's a big one, and Battlefield. Spec wise, it's an Asus board. I think it's a black edition. I have a AMD Phenom 2 X4. It's a quad core, 16 gigs of RAM. It's black edition. The card is a NVIDIA 2 gig card, and it's in a Cooler Master case.